welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to show you guys how to replace the string in a pull start go-kart motor. So this is the Predator 212cc engine. And so for the string, I'm using orange paracord. And one of these things, I can't put these two in, but it is a... No, I can't say it. Okay, this is what I'm using. Because anytime I do anything like this, I get a strike. Or my video gets taken down. You gotta take off this bolt. And this one over here. Screw it with my hand. Don't lose any of these bolts unless you have stuff to replace them. You can drill them out or something. But they're nice bolts. Then there'll be one on the bottom. Once you get this off, you'll be able to just slide it off. And it'll look the same as that. I'm gonna wanna grab the pliers and try and grab that extra string anywhere that it is. As you can see, I got mine out. And now I'm just gonna kind of pull it in away. I'm gonna grab my, and I can't show on YouTube as a kid, which absolutely sucks. So now I'm gonna cut my paracord. I'm going to grab the end, and I'm going to kind of just burn the end a little. I'm just going to cut it really long, because you can cut this in the end, okay? For this, you're going to need yourself a screwdriver. You're going to grab your thing and twist. Be super careful doing this. If you let go, you could get hurt because it would spin really fast. The way it twists, whichever way. And twist it all the way until you can't twist anymore. Grab your screwdriver and just stick it wherever you think would be good. Like that. See how it's not twisting now? So then you're going to want to find, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little hole up in there. You're going to want to align that with that. So ready? Hold your thing. Hold this really tight so it doesn't fly back and twist. You should have adult supervision doing this. And since you can't twist it all the way to that hole, you're going to want to go around until you get to the hole. Just like that, I'm going to stick my screwdriver back in. You can see that's the hole, and then the hole is right there. And you can see this by just looking kind of down in there. You can see the hole. So this might be a really hard part for you guys. I don't know what will be hard and not for you. I think this might be one of the hardest. Don't pull it all the way through, just pull a lot. You're going to tie the biggest knot you can. Just, I don't know what this is called, but just a normal knot. You guys see? Normal knot. I'm going to tie it again so it does not slip through. Normal knot. It's not going to budge anywhere. Then you're going to pull until it goes down in. And then make sure it's really strong by grabbing it and pulling on that. Next step, you're gonna take the screwdriver out super slowly and now slowly let it go back in. Before doing this, do not let your string go in that hole. It will be really hard to get it back out and everything. Slowly let the string, you can see how it's coming up. The string is already wrapped around once. You're gonna grab your handle. You're gonna grab your handle. I'm gonna just take extra out. And you're going to stick it through it. Then up here, you're going to tie another overhand knot. Okay? Another overhand knot. I'm going to tie it a couple of times. Because last time I did this, I messed up and I didn't tie it enough. So I'm going to put it all back together. It slipped back through. And that sucked. Okay, guys. Now you can see it's all put back together. This will be on, and you can pull really hard, and it will do that. Okay. Next step. Put all your tools away. I'm going to put it on however you like it. If you like it like that, you have to pull between these two things like this. I always never liked that. So what I did is I just grabbed it and I kind of twisted until it just lined up with the holes. And this will be fine. You guys can do this. Nothing will happen. Okay. Put every screw back in. You will have to hand tighten them at first. Do all the screws hand tighten before you tighten them a lot. Some of these screws will be hard. Do not spend money on these. The best solution is literally the strongest you can find. And there you go, guys. I'm gonna show you how it starts first. And there you go, guys. I'm gonna show you how it starts up real quick. Okay, ready? And that is how it's done. If you guys want a car clean tutorial, I totally will do that. And I'm gonna show you how to adjust your idle screw really quick. If you look back in here, you see a tiny screw. It's black and it's kind of plastic. Perfect, go guys! If you guys would like more tutorials on how to do things, tell me and I will next video. Thank you for watching. Always remember, Jesus loves you.